Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday afternoon, the 25th of March 2020. It is currently 4:23 p.m. In Vietnam, which is my local time. This video applies to the 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle for the 12-hour high probability charts are 4 a.m. local and 4 p.m. So approximately 23 minutes ago. I'll just run through what I've done on the charts. This is my watch list on the right, all the pairs I'm trading. The pairs marked in blue are ones I've currently got trades on. The ones in the highlighted orange are ones I'm going to bring to your attention in this video because something's happened on them. It's all about trade management at the moment. There's no new trades, but we have had some action on the pairs, so let's run through them. AusCAD. There was a sell on this pair up here. It's since been stopped out, and for a profit of 34.15, that's been added to the. All right, sorry, let's start again. AusCAD. I've read the wrong notes. I was reading the Aussie Swiss. AusCAD, I'm in a buy. Here, my buy is the blue lines, so the vertical blue and the horizontal solid blue. So that's a buy there. Price has gone up nicely into the MAs. MACD Platinum's close to the zero level. Remember, I take buys when it's below the zero level. It's got to the zero level or close to it, close to the MAs. I've closed half and put a stop in place. The stop's the red dotted line. So I've closed half, put a stop at 84306. There was a profit of $29.14. That's been added to the total here. You can read my notes, pause the video. You can see my notes. All my trade results that I call on these videos are posted to a shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. You can access that spreadsheet through a link in the description of the video. So that's the AusCAD in a buy, close half, stop in place. All right, sorry about that. I stuffed up. Aussie Swiss, that's what it was on before. I've left the trade on. I was in a sell up here. Sells are the red line, vertical lines. So the sell is it at this level here. I've already modified my notes. So that sell came down nicely. I put a stop in place up here, and that has been stopped out. So that sell's no longer in play. So I can get rid of that. Now I've just got the buy in play, and you can already read I've already closed half on the buy. The sell stopped out, $34.15 profits being added to the total there, so that's all good. So I've just got the buy and play down the Oz Swiss. Oz USD, let's see if I can get this right. I was in a sell up here, stop and place down here. It's been stopped out, so that sell gave me a profit of $91.66. The remaining, it's already been added to the profit total on this pair. So now I'm just in a buy. This green line here represents a big number in the Aussie, 0.60000, 60 cents roughly. So we're in a buy here. The MACD Platinum's getting close to the zero level. I might take action on the next candle. Right, Euro Swiss. This thing's just a slow mover. I was in a sell here. It's gone down. I didn't take the new buy when it presented. I just don't like it. The trend's down. It's gone up and stopped my sell out. A huge grand total of $1.91 has been added to my list there. So that trade's now complete. So I might replace this pair. I don't think it's that exciting on the 12-hour charts. So the Euro Swiss is no open trades. What else we got? Euro Pound. Oh, yes, an interesting one. So I was originally started off on a sell here, took a hedge buy. So they're both the same position size. Then I took a second sell on this one here. Then it didn't come down at all. So I took a second hedge buy on this one. These two are the same position size, bigger than these two. Then I took a third sell, which is a bigger position size again. So it's the 0.10. So that was taken up here. My overall break-even level is this yellow dash line. So that's for all of these trades combined. That is my overall break-even line. It went down there through it initially, but the MACD was still well above the zero level before price pulled back, then went back down. Now the MACD's down at the zero level. So the smart thing to do, because remember it takes sells when it's above and look for buys when it's below. Now it's down. So I've closed the sell, the hedge buy, the second sell, the second hedge buy, and partial close. So I've closed 0.08 of that second this sell up here, the third sell, and I'll put a stop in place up here. So I've still got 0.02, which is my initial base lot in the trade, stop in place. So all these trades, I'll tidy up this chart, but basically I've only got this sell left and this overall break even no longer applicable. So I can get rid of all these trades down here. This one leaves this one on. Had a profit there overall, closing all those trades, $176.39, which has been added to the overall profit. So I'll tidy up all this. By next time you see, you won't see any of these 4 vertical lines this side, nor these 4 bottom trade lines, just this sell up here with a stop in place. All right, Euro Yen. I took a buy, took a hedge sell, took a second buy, and this thing's just been ugly with all this stuff. There was my overall break-even level. We're already well through the MACD Platinum. So just to be safe, I've just closed all trades on the Euro Yen. So I'll remove all this. And that gave me a profit of $24.51. All 3 trades closed. Again, you can check my spreadsheet just to see how I get that number. And it's been added to the profit. So there's no trades on the Euro Yen at the moment. I'll tidy up the charts. NZ CAD's the only other one. Yeah, it's in a buy. Got up to the MAs. So I've just decided to close half and put a stop in place there. So basically just close half my buy trade. It's a little bit ugly, and we'll get back at the MAs. It's just the MACD Platinum's not quite to the zero level. You probably can't see it. There's a grey line that's already through, but the red line is the one I mainly look at. It's getting close, but the MAs and it's an ugly pair to trade at the moment. So play it safe. Closed half, profit of $19.71, being added to the profit to date. So that's it for all the pairs, guys. I'll tidy up those charts. Everything seems to be going back in my favour now, which is great. I think even my problem one, the New Zealand Swiss, is starting to crank up a bit. Yep, starting to move up towards my break-even levels. I'll be glad to see this dog's breakfast out the way. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Everyone's more than welcome to join my JAGfx Facebook group if you haven't already done so. Also, if you do like these videos, please at least hit the like button. And it'd be better if you could hit the subscribe button so you get advised when they turn up all the time. All right, enjoy your day, and hopefully I can publish this first go this time. Cheers.